Oh, I guess I'm live already.
Huh?
Good morning. So, one of my favorite parts about being a realtor, well, I guess two things about being a realtor is that every Tuesday we have our
Turn right.
Oh, every Tuesday we have our tour meeting, and then we get to go tour some of
Turn
the
right.
newest houses on the market. And so we get to take a little
At the
field
light,
trip.
turn left onto State Route 92.
So we get to take a little field trip and check out some of the houses. Why that's important is so that we can be able to know what houses are out there on the market, what they look like inside. Because the pictures that are online only give you so much information as far as to the layout of the house, what it looks like inside, how you can place furniture, the condition of the house. Sometimes I look at houses online and they look pretty good, and then you get inside and
In about 9 miles, turn left onto East Three Canyons Road.
they are not so nice. I will put it that way. But one of my favorite parts of the job is that we are not having to be tied down to a desk all day long. We can go out and tour houses, not only on tour days, but we have the opportunity, if the house is not occupied, we can go check out houses and preview houses pretty much all day long, because most of them have an electronic lock system on them so that we can check them out. Another favorite thing that I like is that I can bring my kids to work with me. Matthew is one of my favorite little associates to bring to work. He likes to come to work with me. He has helped me on numerous occasions. Did it show you on there?
Yeah.
Did you see your face on there? Okay. So he has helped me on many occasions setting up on open houses. He helps with the signs. He helps me set things out. He's even helped me do some yard work and cleaning and some little projects for houses. So he's one of my favorite little associates. Bella has helped out too. She helped out on what day was it? Saturday. She helped me load the signs back to the office. And Crystal helped me a couple of weeks ago when I was staging the house. We went out to another house and grabbed all the staging stuff, and she helped me to stage my current house that I'm listing on 4364 Big Bend Street, and that is in the Holiday subdivision. So yeah, I like going out and about, checking out the houses that are on tour. That's something else. That's another way that we can, as realtors, we can get some more exposure on your house. Because when we go to these meetings on Tuesdays, we get lots of information about different businesses, different affiliates that can help out with home repair and different things, home inspections, and all kinds of things that can help you when you are buying or selling a house. We find out all about that, and then we get the opportunity to stand up in a room full of realtors here in the Sierra Vista area, and we can announce your house and talk all about it, and then they have the opportunity to go by and check out the house and see what they think. If they have a client that is interested in looking at your house, then they already know what it looks like, so they can bring them over, and hopefully you can get an offer on your house, or they can find a house if you're on the buyer's side. So that's just a little bit of the things that I love about being a realtor with ERA Four Feathers Realty. We usually load up in vehicles and carpool. Today it's just me and Matthew, because everybody was already carpooling, so it's just us today. So if you have any questions about buying or selling a house here in the Sierra Vista area, please feel free to comment below, give me a call, let me know. I would definitely love to help you out. And I guess that's all I have to talk about for right now. I look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye.